Neighbor parks catering truck in our driveway. / edit. Wow, that blew up unexpectedly. Will try to respond to questions as I can. Also, just for time order, this happened a couple years ago. I appreciate the multitude of suggestions for revenge, both righteous and petty, but the company is fantastically already out of business and the neighbor has since moved, which was satisfying to me as an ending / *. We had 2 lovely neighbors that moved out, and a lady moved in, so mostly kept to herself and wasn't very friendly. No problem, to each their own. However, she would have large parties, small suburban neighborhood, well into the evening. At least twice we had to ask someone to not park in our driveway, or across it. One evening she was having a very large party, and at some point I went out to get the mazel and did a double take at the giant honking catering truck in our driveway. I was more confused than angry at first, figuring they just got the wrong address. But no one is in the truck, they're all inside but the party is loud and ongoing. I gave them the benefit of the doubt, and went to the door and rang the bell. Our houses have doors with glass panels, so everyone inside could see me there. I'm ringing and knocking, people look at me, but no one answers the door, which is locked. Finally an older guy comes out, but English was not his first language. He says he'll let the neighbor know. She never comes out. At this point I'm furious. I'm on my way back to my house to have it towed, when I see some of the caterers unloading things in her garage. I ask them as politely as I can to move the truck. They tell me the neighbor told them it was okay to park there, and they just need to be there a little while longer. I told them I don't care, it's my property, not hers, please move the damn truck. They ignore me, so at this point I say, okay, I'm going to have you towed, and they finally get over to move it, while one calls me an AH. I call the catering company the next day, obviously a small shop, and the lady gets defensive and starts calling me names when I complain, again saying over and over the neighbor okayed it so that had the right to park there. Neighbor never did apologize or explain, or even talk to us again. Still have no idea why any of them thought that was okay.